Alright, got some fresh cut white oak. Super hard, it's really hard. What we're going to do today, I'm going to make a video today of the fastest chainsaw cutting technique. Whether it's dogging it in or just straight down, just straight, holding it cut straight through the shaft. I'm going to do about probably maybe 3 cuts a piece and compare them and see what technique's actually the fastest. This 17-inch diameter fresh cut white oak. Let's give it a shot and try the techniques out and see which one wins. That's a Craftsman 3.7. It's got a 20-inch bar on it and a 3/8 chain on it, LPX, full chisel. That's what we're cutting with.